Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Storytime on Everyday English. This is episode 16. Today, we will listen to a very, very long and exciting story about three friends and their big trip. The friends go to the zoo. This story is fun and easy to understand for everyone. We will listen very slowly. You will learn many new words about animals and movement. Get ready to listen for a long, long time. Let's start the very, very long story. Leo is a boy. Maya is a girl. Tom is a boy. Leo, Maya, and Tom are good friends. They are best friends. Today is a very special day. The friends are going on a school trip to the big city zoo. It is early morning. It is 8 o'clock. The friends meet at the school. They are very excited. They get on a big yellow bus. The bus is loud. Leo, Maya, and Tom sit together on a seat. They look out the window. The bus drives for 1 long hour. The bus is moving fast. The friends sing a quiet song. They are happy. They finally arrive at the big zoo. The zoo gate is tall. Leo, Maya, and Tom walk through the gate together. They hold hands. The zoo is very big. The zoo is very green. The friends are very excited to see the animals. First, they walk to see the monkeys. There are many, many small brown monkeys. The monkeys are climbing a tree. The monkeys are very, very fast. They are jumping high. Maya laughs because one monkey is eating a small yellow banana. The monkey is funny. Next, the friends walk to see the lions. The lions are very big and very strong. The lions are yellow and brown. The big male lion is sleeping on a rock. He sleeps and sleeps. The lion wakes up. He opens his mouth very wide. He makes a very loud sound. Roar! Leo jumps a little. The lion is loud. It is 12 o'clock. It is noon. The friends are hungry. They sit at a small wooden table. They open their backpacks. Leo has a cheese sandwich. Maya has an apple and orange juice. Tom has a big cookie. They eat their lunch slowly. They drink cold water. They feel good. After lunch, the friends continue the big trip. They walk and walk. They walk to see the elephants. The elephants are the biggest animals in the zoo. They are gray and very tall. The elephant has a long trunk. The elephant uses the long trunk to drink water. Tom is very surprised. He thinks the elephant is huge. Next, they walk to see the giraffes. The giraffes are very, very tall. They have long, long necks. The giraffes eat green leaves from the tall trees. The giraffes have brown spots all over their yellow bodies. They walk slowly and gracefully. Then the friends walk to see the penguins. The penguins are small. They are black and white. They walk funny. Waddle, waddle. The penguins are swimming in the cold water. They swim very fast. Leo thinks the penguins are cute and they swim so quickly. It is the afternoon. It is 3 o'clock. The trip is almost finished. The friends buy small ice creams. The ice cream is cold and sweet. They are very happy. They saw many, many animals. The fast monkeys, the loud lion, the big elephant, the tall giraffe, and the swimming penguins. The friends walked back to the yellow bus. They get on the bus. They sit together again. They are very tired now. The bus drives for 1 long hour. The bus is moving fast back to the school. Leo, Maya, and Tom are happy. They had a very, very good day at the zoo. They think the zoo trip was the best. That was a very long and exciting story about the friends' trip to the zoo. We hope you enjoyed this long story and learned many new words about animals and movement. Listening to stories in English for a long time is the best way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this long video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.